Hi, I'm Dallin with West Peak Roofing. I help homeowners replace their damaged roofs without paying full out-of-pocket price. Every homeowner pays for home insurance, month after month, year after year. What most people don't realize is their policy already covers roof damage caused by wind and hail. The frustrating part is dealing with the insurance company on your own. Knowing what to say, what damage actually matters, and how to document it properly can feel overwhelming. That's where I come in. My crews and I inspect your roof for free. I'm up there documenting wind and hail damage so nothing gets missed. If there isn't enough damage to justify a claim, I'll tell you. I don't want to waste your time on something that won't get approved. If there is enough damage, I help you through the entire insurance process, from filing the claim to collecting the final check. Claims usually end one of three ways: denied, partially approved, or fully approved. West Peak Roofing specializes in turning denials and partial approvals into full roof replacements. When your roof is approved, insurance covers the work. Your only out-of-pocket cost is your deductible. If you've ever wondered whether your roof qualifies, reach out. At the very least, you'll get a clear, honest answer. I'm Dallin with West Peak Roofing, and I'm on your side.